Good morning, everyone. This is Mark Lopez again, and together with me is si Coco the Rottweiler, a very sleepy Coco the Rottweiler. And welcome to today's episode of Happy Pets. And today, we're going to discuss kennel cough. Kennel cough is a condition na nangyayari sa mga pets natin na nagiging susceptible sila during summer kasi mainit, stress, tapos biglang uulan ng konti, tapos init, tapos ulan. So, ano po yung resistensya ng mga dogs natin and nagpo-foster po ng mga bacteria na nagkukos po ng kennel cough. So, to help us talk about this in detail and in further length, we're going to go to Doc Jules of Ayolac Animal Clinic and Pet Grooming Center in San Jose Branch in Cavite. And there, she will take us through more details regarding this. Good morning, everyone. This is Mark Lopez once again, and we are here for the next part of our summer series. Dito po ulit sa San Jose Branch ng Ayolac Animal Clinic and Grooming Center. Guys, do you remember si Doc Grace, our beautiful veterinarian from last week? Today, we will talk about kennel cough. Okay, Doc Grace, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Okay, Doc, let's start off. So, ano po ba ang kennel cough?
So, ang kennel cough ay para siyang human colds na na-acquire, pwedeng cause ng virus or bacteria. Pero ang pinaka-main cause nito ay yung Bordetella bronchoseptica. So, isa itong bacteria na tinatarget niya ang respiratory system. So, na-acquire ito sa pag na-inhale nila yung bacterium sa katawan.
Dito po sa kennel cough, ano po usually yung mga signs at simptomas para malaman mo na yung aso mo ay may kennel cough po?
Malalaman po natin na may kennel cough ang ating aso kapag sila ay yung madalas na mag-ubo,
okay,
or magbabahing. Meron din tayong makikitang mga muta or
okay,
discharges sa mata. And then, yung ubo nila para siyang yung sa gansa.
So, Doc, kung nalaman po natin na may kennel cough na po yung alaga natin, ano yung usual treatment na binibigay?
Usually, nagtitreat tayo, gumagamit tayo ng antibiotics. Then, dito sa clinic namin, ang ginagamit namin is yung lactracin. And then, sinasabayan na rin po namin ito ng pulmokin. And then, pwede rin tayo magbigay ng supplement gaya ng vitamin C, yung sa pet C po natin, para at least lumakas po ang kanyang immune system.
Is there anything na pwede natin gawin para ma-prevent itong kondisyon for our pets?
To prevent yung kennel cough, meron po tayong mga available na vaccines sa ating mga vets.
Okay.
Then annual po tayong mag-visit for booster shots.
Ito po si Doc Grace, ang pinag-usapan mo natin yung dalawang usual at very important na kondisyon na nangyayari sa ating mga pets during summer. So for the next coming episodes, we will talk about other conditions that afflict our pets, and we hope na through yung mga tulong ni Doc Grace tsaka yung mga ibang vets i-interview po natin, mas makakaya po nating alagaan yung mga pets natin para maging happy sila. Thank you very much once again for being with us here today, this morning sa Happy Pets. This is Mark Lopez and I'm here sa San Jose Branch of Ayolac Animal Clinic and Grooming Center. Always remember, happy ang pet pagka proper care, proper medicine, and right grooming. And more importantly, happy pets, happy parents. Agri TV, hayop ang galing.
This portion was brought to you by Lactrazine for the treatment of respiratory and gastrointestinal diseases.